That's what I'd call a bad pantry. Disorganized, a mess. That was my pantry actually, and it might be what yours looks like. And I've just been on a quest to try to get organized, whether it's in my garage, my house. So my wife and I, we were trying to figure out what could we do to organize our pantry. That's when we came across a 10-piece airtight BPA free storage system. It's from Dragon, and it has just made such a world of a difference. It has transformed from a bad into a good pantry. And so you can see these pictures that we've got all of our natural foods. We've got our pecans, hazelnuts, coconut, sunflower seeds, anything you want to be able to store, especially bulk food. It just organizes it beautifully. And the thing that's really nice about it is it locks out the air. It's kind of got an air seal, so when you clamp on the lid, it locks out the air, and that's going to help keep the food fresh, at least I hope so, throughout the summer. So, in any case, just wanted to point you in that direction. If that's something you're looking for, highly recommend it. One tip that I did notice is when you get those storage containers, you really don't want to put water in the lids. The water can get trapped, and so it can make a mess. What I would recommend is when you get them, just wipe them off. They're nice and clean already. If you want to take a damp cloth, that's probably going to work the best. And then one other kind of storage container, it's from Anchor Hocking. It's called a Montana glass jar. They work excellent. They're just really high quality, nice heavyweight glass. You can get large sizes, so if you buy it in bulk, whether it's oatmeal, flour, anything like that, those also are really nice. And we bought both of these containers. Everything on my videos we're purchasing. We're not getting free, or nobody's paying us to do these videos. But I did contact Dragon after I realized how much I like these containers, and what they decided to do is they are offering a 5% off promo coupon. So click down at the link, use the promo code, and you should be able to get 5% off your order. So hope you really enjoy these. Hope this is helpful. Hoping this helps you get organized. Turns your pantry from being bad into something that you actually like. So please comment, subscribe. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.